We have students that are in middle school that are struggling readers. And my experience in the past has been a 5th or 6th grader placed on 1st or 2nd grade content. They're looking at me and they're like, this is baby work, and they don't want to do it. They're bored, they're embarrassed because what's on the screen is clearly not geared towards a 9, 10, 11-year-old student. I was really excited to see PowerUp because it takes that middle school student and it gives them the content that they need. It helps them really fill in some of those foundational reading skills that they may have missed, but it does it in an age-appropriate way and in an engaging way. And so that's huge, because if they're not engaged, they're not invested, then you're not going to get their buy-in. We've really seen that it's great for all students. So whether they're struggling, whether they're on grade level, where they're above grade level, it's really helping the teacher personalize the learning experience for all kids. We were very excited to use PowerUp because of that specifically.